Welcome everyone to Change Ringtone in 15 Pro Max. The first step is we're going to open up the settings, and in the settings I want you to scroll down until you see here sounds and haptics. You will then see the ringtone, tap the ringtone, and then tap the ringtone you want to change to. You also have the tone store if you want to buy tones. So tap on tones, then you can buy a alert tone for 99p or 99 cents. To import your own custom ringtone, I'm going to have a tutorial linked in the description. If you don't hear your ringtone when someone calls you, you may have silent mode on. So if this one is on, tap the switch to turn off silent mode. With that being said, if you would like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.